Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you have two things ready. Number 1, VMware Workstation installed on your computer. Number 2, a stable internet connection. If VMware Workstation is not installed, I recommend you to watch this video. The link is given above. Now, open any web browser on your computer. Click on the address bar. Type Kali Linux download. Then press enter. Open the official Kali Linux website. Once the website loads, you will see multiple download options. As we want to download the ISO file, click the installer images. We would do go for x86 or 64 option, so click on the arrow sign to start downloading the ISO file. The file size is large, so this may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open the location to make it sure it is available. Now let's move to VMware Workstation. Open VMware Workstation on your computer. On the home screen, click on Create a new virtual machine. The new virtual machine wizard will open. Select Typical and click Next. On the next screen, select I will install the operating system later. From the operating system list, select Linux, and then from the version box select Debian 12 64-bit. Now enter the virtual machine name. Type Kali Linux. Choose a location where you want to save the virtual machine files. Click Next. Next, you will be asked to specify the disk capacity. I am accepting the defaults. Click Next. On the summary screen, review the settings. Then click Finish. Your Kali Linux virtual machine is now created. Select the Kali Linux virtual machine from the list. Then click on CD/DVD. Select Use ISO image file. Locate the downloaded ISO. And click Open. Click Power on this virtual machine. The Kali Linux installer will begin loading. On the boot screen, select Graphical Install. Press Enter. To view the installation in full screen mode, go to View menu and select Full Screen. Now, choose your language. Select your preferred language. Then click Continue. Choose your location. Select your keyboard layout. Kali Linux will now load the installer components. This may take a few moments. For hostname, you can type Kali, or leave it as default. If asked for domain name, you can leave it blank if your computer is not part of domain. Now, create a user account. Enter your full name. Enter a username. Set a password. Right now I am entering a simple password, but for real use, make sure the password is strong. Confirm the password. On the clock option, select your time zone. Now, you will see disk partition options. Select Guided, use entire disk. Select the virtual disk. Choose all files in one partition. This option is best for beginners. Review the changes. Select Finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Select Yes. Kali Linux will now begin installing. This process may take several minutes. Now select the desktop environment. I am selecting XFCE, which is the default. And then click Continue. Please be patient. Then you will be asked to install the Grub bootloader. Select Yes. Choose the virtual disk. Usually it is SDA. After this, the installation will finish. You will see a message that installation is complete. The virtual machine will restart. Now, you will see the Kali Linux login screen. Select the first option. Enter your username. Enter your password. Click Login. Congratulations! Kali Linux is now successfully installed on VMware Workstation. You can now explore Kali Linux tools, learn ethical hacking, and practice cybersecurity skills in a safe virtual environment. If this video helped you, please like the video. Share it with others who want to learn Kali Linux. And subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical and easy-to-follow tech tutorials.